Hello students, today we are going to study pie chart of chapter number 5. Chapter 5, our topic is pie chart. Pie chart is one of the measures of graphical representation of a data, of a grouped data. When we group data or raw data both can be classified into the pie chart. Pie chart, what is pie chart here? Pie chart is the circular form of a graph. Circular form a graph in which you will represent your raw data. Suppose I'm giving you an example. By this you can understand what is pie chart. Suppose I have to measure the expenses of a house in this graph. Suppose I have earned 20,000, out of which I expense on food, clothing, ration, या फिर food, then clothing, then savings, and the second one other items लिख देते हैं, other items. Suppose I have earned 20,000, out of which I am expending 10,000 or 5,000 on food, 2,000 on clothing, I am saving 10,000, and this is for 17. Then three other items is 3,000. So this is what I am also spending. I just want to express these raw data into this pie chart. For expressing this, I should know this whole circle represents 20,000. The whole circle always represents the whole amount. So the whole circle always represents what? 20,000. Out of which 10,000. 10,000 means half of 20,000, because 10,000 upon 20,000 is 1/2. That is equals to half. Half of which, out of whole 20,000, I am spending half of the amount on saving. Now, half of this 5,000, means half of this rest of the 10,000, I am spending half of this on, this is 5,000, on food. Now, other 5,000, 10, 5, 5, all will become 20. So this rest of the 5,000 I am expending in clothing and other items. So I will make it as this. इसको color कर देते हैं. Draw this. This is 2,000 and this is 3,000. So this is the raw representation of a data on a circular graph, that is called the pie chart. And this pie chart can be represented in the degree form, in percentage form, in fraction form, in numbers forms too. लेकिन directly you cannot represent anything on the pie chart in the numbers form. You have to just convert it into the fraction form, then you can represent here. You can represent the data in the fraction form, either on the fraction form or in degree form, but you cannot represent in numbers and other things. So this is the graph that we are going to do, and I'm sorry, I'm explaining with an example here. Example is given here. Example number 2 that I also explained in the live class. Example 2. In the example 2, this chart has been given. Ordinary bread is 320 rupees. Fruit bread is 80 rupees. Cakes and pastries are of 160. Biscuits are of 120. And others are of 40 rupees. And the total amount is 720. This is the bill of any grocery, and we have to represent in the pie chart. So how can we represent it in pie chart? If we want to draw any conclusion, we will make a tabular form. We will represent it in a tabular form. Suppose these are the items. These are the items. This is fraction and this is degree form. Now we are converting from fraction to degree. We are converting fractions to degree. First of all, the items. The items are, यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं, ordinary bread, fruit bread, cakes and pastries, biscuits and others. So first one is of 320. This is 80, 160, 120 and 40. And the total amount is 720. Now how will you convert them into fraction? If you want to convert them into fraction, suppose this is a circle. If you color this half portion, then how will you express in the fraction? There are two parts in the circle and we have colored the one part. So this is 1 by 2. So the colored portion is 1 by 2 and the uncolored portion is also 1 by 2. If you again cross them, if you again intersect them, cut them, you will get 4 parts. These 4 parts will be in the bottom and these 2 color parts will be in the upper. So these 2 color parts is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. You can represent here. So you can find fraction from this. How? You will put total here in the denominator and the required number on the numerator. Then if you cancel them out, then you will get a fraction. So our required number is 320 and the total number is 720. So what will be the value? 4 by 9. 8 के टेबल से cancel out हो जाएगा, then it will become 4 by 9. Now 80 upon 720, that is 80 upon 720, you will get 1 by 9. Then 160 upon 720, you will get 2 by 9. Then 120 upon 720, that is you will get 1 upon 6. Then last one is 40 upon 720. Then you will what will you get? You will get this is 1 upon 18. You will get 1 upon 18 here. So these are the fractions which has been converted number to fraction. Now we will convert the fraction into degree. How can we convert the degree? How convert into degree? Suppose this is a circle. If this is a circle, then the total angle here is 360 degree. So same we will do here. We will put the 360 into multiplication. 4 by 9th part of 360, 1 by 9th part of 360, 2 by 9th part of 360, 1 by 6th part of 360 and 1 by 18th of 360. So we will get 3 4 by 9 into 360, 1 upon 9 into 360, 2 by 9 into 360 and 1 by 6 into 360 and 1 upon 18 into 360. This is 160 again. 940 times. This will be 80. This is 60 and this will be equal to 20. Okay. These are in degrees. So what are the degrees you have got from here? 160 degree for ordinary bread, 40 degree for fruit bread, and 80 degree for cakes and pastries, 60 degree for bread, biscuits and others, 20 degree for others. Now we will draw a pie chart from these given degrees. If you draw these in the pie chart, first of all you have to draw a circle. In this circle, you will first find out which one is the highest one. So here the highest one is 160 degree. So draw a radius. Taking this radius as an initial line, draw an angle of 160 degree. Suppose this is an angle of 160 degree. Now after drawing this, take a line as an initial one, this one, not this one. Again, now the next जो angle बनेगा वो आपको इस वाली line पर बनेगा. Take a point this. Now draw an angle of 40 degree. This is your 40 degree. Next angle what we have to draw? 80 degree. 80 degree के लिए this will be your initial line and draw an angle of 80 degree. Then you have to draw 60 degree. Then ये 60 degree you have to draw this time like this. This is your 60 degree. This will not be your 20 degree. इतना बड़ा आएगा. So and the rest of the angle which has been left is 20 degree. So you have distributed all the items in an pie chart by using a degree. Similarly, you can do in questions also. Now this is let's see what is the question. So बच्चों questions it will we have discussed in the live class too that you have to draw first of all you have to learn how to draw a pie chart. So you will do this question in your classwork copy. This is an example. Do it in your classwork copy. After that we will do the exercise.